If you have small teeth, you have problems. You know, there's a structural thing going on here. And so you might look and say, wait a second, her teeth don't look that small. However, she now has the teeth that she's supposed to have for her anatomy and for her jaw size and for her lips, and she has the face, but mainly she has the profile. Profiles are important. Someone's sitting next to you at dinner and you're chewing away and they can see all of this. When they see this, they see somebody totally different. This is the facelift dentistry method. We get the jaw in the position it's meant to be, and then we build a porcelain layer over each one of your individual teeth in order to give you the jaw position your body was meant to have. Of course, you're going to get white teeth if you want white teeth. You're going to have the right shapes to your teeth, the right angles. They're going to support your face. It's going to help your airway be better. You may clench and grind less. Your headaches may be way less. This is a good thing. This is a mechanical solution for a mechanical problem, and it all deals with healthcare. This is dental healthcare. This is the highest level of dental healthcare. Why porcelain veneers can be bad for your teeth? Well, she went to the dentist and she was real unhappy. Basically, the dentist told her he was minimally invasive, going to grind down her teeth, and it didn't go well.
Tell me if the screen goes dark or whatever.
So we can see they're just little pegs. I'm going to have you email that to me one of these days. All right. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
So that's a real conservative dentist, right?
Real conservative.
And he wasn't going to drill much, right? No.
I guess I have no contractual, grounds for argumentation, because I think the contract said some enamel will be removed, and it just never would have occurred to me,
Well, this is all over the world, so don't feel bad. People are all over the world. This is the way dentistry is right now. Hopefully I'll change that. That's her first visit to me. We were just talking. She let me film it. What a gracious, beautiful young girl. And she feels pretty violated because he numbed her and drilled for 2 hours after telling her how minimally invasive this cosmetic dentistry was going to be. And he just drilled down all of her teeth, and she was sensitive and hot and cold sensitive, and her bite was way off. She was just so upset. She was uncomfortable now physically after getting the porcelain veneers, and she let me do that little video clip, and I want to thank her. So she has porcelain veneers. This isn't a bad job by the dentist. What was really bad was that he ground her teeth down and compromised her health for probably the rest of her life. But her smile's a little bit narrow. She wanted a wider smile, and she didn't want teeth that were so doggone white. So she wanted a more natural look. Just remember, cosmetic dentists will all say they're minimally invasive, but what does that really mean? That's the question. We improved her profile. We took off all the veneers that she had, and we had to numb her to do that, but all of the rest of her teeth, all of her lower teeth and the rest of her upper teeth have VENLAY restorations. So she didn't even, there's no drilling, we didn't need to numb her, there's no pain involved. VENLAY restorations in this method preserve your teeth. We don't drill them down, we don't move them, we don't cut your jaws, we save you from all of those things. We're able to give you something even better in a lot of instances and far more predictable.